Hello children, how are you? I'm Miss Liz from the English department at nearest junior college. I miss you all very much. Primary 4, English Maths. Today our lesson is fractions. This is our cake, a whole cake. The first cake isn't in equal parts. But the second cake is in equal parts. The first cake is not a fraction because it isn't divided into equal parts. Now, let's look at the parts of fractions. Hi, I'm a numerator. Hi, I'm a denominator. Now, we will learn numerator and denominator. Numerator. How many parts do you have? 3 parts. Denominator. How many parts is the whole divided into? 4 parts. Let's look at the first example. How many numerators are there in the first example? 1 numerator. How many denominators are there in the first example? 3 denominators. How many numerators are there in the second example? 2 numerators. How many denominators are there in the second example? 5 denominators. How many numerators are there in the third example? 5 numerators. How many denominators are there in the third example? 8 denominators. How do you write fractions in words and figures? Here are some examples of fractions in words and figures. Look at the examples. The first example. How many numerators are there, children? There are 3. How many denominators are there, children? There are 5. Second example. How many numerators are there, children? There are 7. How many denominators are there, children? There are 8. 7 eighths. Third example. How many numerators are there, children? There are 2. How many denominators are there, children? There are 3. 2/3. Fourth example. How many numerators are there, children? There are 3. How many denominators are there, children? There are 6. 3/6. Fifth example. How many numerators are there, children? There are 4. How many denominators are there, children? There are 7. 4/7. Sixth example. How many numerators are there, children? There are 6. How many denominators are there, children? There are 6. 6/6. 1/4. 1/2. Do you understand fractions? The first number goes on the top, the second number on the bottom as an ordinal number. Now it's your turn. Let's look at the questions. Write a fraction for each picture. Number 1. The first fraction is 1/3. Let's do number 2. Second fraction is 1/2. Number 3. Third fraction is 2/3. Do number 4. Fourth fraction is 2/4. Number 5. Fifth fraction is 3/5. And the last one, number 6. Sixth fraction is 3/3. Very good. Let's look at the second question. Color the shape to show the fraction. Let's color the first one. Now color this one. Yes. The next one. Color this one. Okay. Now this one. Next one. Yes. And the last one. Good job. We have finished our lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe.